Barclays Center floor seat them is not sold out. Right? And these are your main seat them where you want people for the inner. So you know what I got, mo? You see, because them people don't have enough money if you see Alkaline, them are going to move them up in the long run because them are going to have to make it look like it full.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Just for the simple fact that last year, if y'all don't remember, Vibes Cartel was at the Barclays Center for his third time Labor Day weekend, and I paid over $1,000 for that ticket. And then the day before the concert, the tickets dropped down to like $250. So I'm...
I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Man, you don't know things, you know. So people, this is promotion purposes. People, go get your tickets. Alkaline Barclays said on March 21st, it'll go loud. So people, Fish Kevin no run out, man. But people, you know how Media Fox go to work, right? You know say, me not do the bag of chatting. Me have all of the files. You understand? So, we're going to the video and hear what the idiot say.
And this, and tell me if this is a good look for Barclays Center. That right now, we're not give a free ticket for see Alkaline. Because Alkaline in Barclays Center right now is not a good look. Me I watched Main Danger page and he must say the ticket them sold out.
So people, it's a simple thing. You see some of them Gaza man, yeah? I'm going to show you where them there. See? You see them Gaza man, yeah? See them, yeah? Back high class. Yeah, man. Dunce is just take a simple little reading. But you see to a back of class them there? See him there? Yeah, man. One Kevin, man. Back of class. Him not focus on the teacher, what the teacher say. Yeah, man. You understand? But people, you don't know me have the files. See? So look here now. Right? All it takes is just a simple reading. So if you go up on Main Danger page, remember him saying no, free ticket. So basically, Main Danger and a DJ, I think him named DJ Retroactive. Seeing? A partnership, partner with DJ Retroactive and Main Danger. So basically, a them, I give you the ticket. It never say Alkaline show. You understand? So look here now, it's a promotion thing I go on. He might promote him mix, and you don't know, he might use the Alka thing. So look here now. So basically, win a pair of ticket to see Alkaline. You understand? So basically, you must say, yo, how you enter, so vendetta people, if you don't want to get some ticket, or win some ticket, you don't know DJ, can have to go up on theme page and whatever. So I'm telling you the instruction. Because the guys among them, that's why them dunce. You see somebody who have a bag of feelings and emotions, yeah man, them level of IQ very low. You understand? All them have to do, I look down, I look in at the bio there, so under the picture, and just read, but back at the class them there. So basically say, so you basically have to follow the DJ and follow Main Danger. That's how you enter the ticket, forget the ticket. And it say, yo, tag 3 friends in the comments of the giveaway flyer post and DJ Retroactive page. That are the DJ. After this, I'm going to show you who is the DJ, see? And it says, share the flyer from the DJ Retroactive page with the keyword ATM. I'm all about the money, see? And on it, on your story, see, you're going to put the video where you do, and with the, I guess the song I play ATM, on your story, and tag it to the DJ only, not Main Danger only. Zine. Lastly, listen to the Alkaline promo mix. So the link in the DJ bio on him Instagram page. So if you don't want to win a ticket, you can go do that. See? Screenshot it in plain and DM him the proof. You understand? So it's an important rule. No spam burner account. So no fake account. Real page only. Your account must be public on the day the giveaway ends. Basically the day before the show. You understand? Yeah. So basically the day before the show, and I think upon that day you're going to get the ticket if you win. See? So look here now. People. See the DJ here. Iman King. So Ima give her the ticket. I guess in partnership with Main Danger. You understand? Because you know we go to work. I fax with David. See? This now not to do with Alkaline them. So look here now. So since Ima talk about free show. See? Alright. I will go back in the video and make it hear what I say. See?
And this, and tell me if this is a good look for Barclays Center. That right now, we're not give a free ticket for see Alkaline. Because Alkaline in Barclays Center right now is not a good look. Me I watched Main Danger page and him said the ticket them sold out. And I was actually going for it. Until just now. Me go check Ticketmaster for pricing of tickets for Alkaline show. Right? So Alkaline has in some the nosebleed, some $79. And the price keep changing ups and down. Because Main Danger play with this. I try to make it look like if tickets sold out and the seat them empty same way. Let me show you something. And check out Ticketmaster. This is what it look like.
Alright, Mr. Kevin. People. Alright. I'm going to tell you what I want. People, we don't remember this show with Vice Cartel. See? Labor Day. Yeah, man. August 29, Labor Day last year. People, because these are the things, you know. You see, because the H did for Alkaline, them are going to pull up everything we are going with him. But them never know. Say Media Fox have all of the file them from last year prepare for this year. So look at now. People, I'm going to show you something. See? So look at now. People, look at this. This was the day before Vice Cartel. Look on this. See? This was the day before Vice Cartel show. This was the 28th of August last year. And the 29th time show. Look. See, if you look up here, so up at the top. See? You see, you're going to see the day weekend. Mean say the Labor Day. You see the R. See? Come remember, you know, if you realize that screenshot here, take, and not even screenshot, me take a picture on the 28th of August on the Dell screen. This is my work. Come plan for that day, you know. So look on the ticket, you know, people. This is the Vice Cartel third show in a Barclays. Seeing? Third show. Seeing? Look how it look. Yeah, man, this a deep blue sea, man. Seeing? Me I go prove it to you. Seeing? So look at now, people. Me even send one of my brethren. Me even hide the person. Seeing? Yeah. Because it's a private business. Seeing? So look at now. If you see, August 28th, 10:34 a.m. Work me there. Seeing? Look at now. Me send the person the same picture what me show now a while ago, you know. On the Dell screen. Same thing. Look what me write. Me mark out the person name. Seeing? Help him sell some ticket for tomorrow. Why me say tomorrow? Because the show was on the 29th. If you look on the August now, you see say August 28th. Me no cap. We been away on that day. You understand? So look at me say, help him sell some ticket. Troll me, no. Help him sell some ticket for tomorrow, January. Help the goat. Bro, from your stop talk about the man, hype gone, January. For sure, you people, this was a day. Look on it, you know. This was the day before him show in a Barclays last year. You understand? Look on the ticket, people. This is not a joke. Me not have a fabricator or not because me make sure I have this from last year, people, in my phone last year. See? Alright now, look how me I go prove it, you know. See, me I go prove it.
So the fact that last year...
So look, you know, me I go prove it to you. Cause you have a girl. She did go to the show last year. But me want to know, listen. All I want me just show you, she I go come prove it. See? Alright, look what I go on.
Just for the simple fact that last year, if y'all don't remember, Vibes Cartel was at the Barclays Center for his third time Labor Day weekend, and I paid over $1,000 for that ticket. And then the day before the concert, the tickets dropped down to like $250.
So people, wanna see what me I talk about? So when you look on the screen where me show you how the ticket them look. So tell me now, when a ticket not selling, right? The price decrease or it increase? Wanna tell me, people? Because for sure, it's the ticket really not selling. That's evidence I'm show you a while ago, you know. For your ticket drop from $1,000 to $250. Remember, you know, she buy for your ticket. The $1,000 ticket, you know. And then it traumatized her till she say, yo, me nah do it again. Cause the day before, people, listen, the day before, same way me take the picture, it dropped from $1,000 to $250. That's 75% decrease. For sure, you say the ticket really not selling, people. There's no way you ever see a ticket. When you see a ticket do 50%, you hardly will see a ticket do 75% a decrease. So you know say really not sell, people. Because the show with Alkaline and the other artists them was the other day, which is the 30th. So, Kevin, you don't know what go on, you know why? Because you don't pull up Cartel ticket them and pull up him thing them for see what really are going. Because why? You don't run with hype. I that you do, but me have my files them. You see it, people. So look at now, we go hear what I say, you see it? We go hear what fool I say. You see it? Yeah, man.
Right? And these are your main seat them where you want people for there, you know. So you know what I got, man? You see, because them people that don't have enough money, if you see Alkaline, them are gonna move them up in the long run because them are gonna have to make it look like it full. Because them are give you all free ticket just for you come at the party. Because
People, I just a simple reading. But don't show in that video already says a DJ I give you a little gift ticket and in a partnership with Me and Danger. You understand? It never say Alkaline or New Rules are giving a ticket. But you don't know, people always buy ticket and give away. Like, them will just buy it and say, alright, I give it to some people, or them have something to promote and them just use the ticket for same like what me show now a while ago. But you see them money now, you see because them can't read, them don't know if you read, them just run with a little cover. Just through it say, give away ticket, in a them mind, yo, them have to give away ticket because them don't, them don't know if you read, people. You understand? But make we hear what I say, because as I say, people, this is for promotion. We're promoting the show while we're exposing. See?
the ticket them now sell. Alkaline is not doing good in Barclays Center. He's not a good sales guy right now. Some of them know why them never add somebody else to the show that's going to help to sell the ticket.
Wait there. People, the graph I show you a while ago the day before Christ Cartel ticket, them did use nobody? Or him alone depend it? Then why the map looks so the day before the show? So, Cartel not for use nobody, but Alkaline for lose somebody. Right now, if you click on Alkaline, look on this, people. If you click on Alkaline map right now, you know we see say it a go make Cartel thing look a way based on the map them. If you no Google and go type in Alkaline Barclays ticket right now, remember you know, we like what? We like couple days, what, 2 weeks or a week and add away from the show. And if you look on Alkaline scene, if you look on Alkaline map and Cartel map with film show last year, remember you know Cartel just fought from prison, you know, and the third show in a Barclays, the first two show of them sold out, seeing because him fresh. You see me, them fresh from prison and all of them little things. So look at a big promotion. Yeah, that I go sold out. But if you realize the third show, the day before the show, I be a blue. The ticket I drop from $1,000 to $250. That's 75% off. You understand, people? So when you hear the money attack, I just a bag of capping. You see it? So look at now, people. We are going to hear what I say.
Me and Danger are trying to push it like if Alkaline did a sell ticket. A lie. This is what Barclays Center really look like. These are the nosebleeds and all of them something there.
People, you know say Alkaline ticket raise from 70 go to 116. You know why? Because the ticket is selling. Vice Cartel ticket last year, the third show in a Barclays, dropped from $1,000. You know, hear the girl attack. You understand? This girl, you can find her on TikTok. She no pick no side. She does support every show. See? She say, yo, she not buy no ticket because she remember when she buy the $1,000 ticket Labor Day show and it dropped to $250 the day before. You understand? So in my campaign, Alkaline ticket a go up, but Cartel ticket a drop 75%. You see me? Yeah, man. Hear what I say.
And the nosebleed them sell out. The 79 ticket. The $79 ticket them sell off. Right? But look, you see all of the grey represent all of the ticket them that did not sell as yet.
Yo, people. You see them money? When them forward out, I tell you, them guys are money are dunce. So man said the grey part of the ticket when not sell out yet. When are the other way around, people. You understand? The blue part is where ticket available. If you click on it, you might see the blue, you know, but when you click it, you maybe see like all 40 ticket or 50 ticket. You understand? So, for sure you say, them money just want forward for us bring down the youth show. But them don't have no evidence, no strong evidence. Because you are going to tell the people them like idiot. Only the fool will know. Say the grey part. Seeing? The grey part of the ticket them will not sell. Brother, I tell you about them money.
Them not sell yet. Empty. So, where is the people that said vendetta? One of them. Why don't I buy a ticket? All if one of them buy a ticket to support the artist. Go buy a ticket, man. We make it look like the artists them so tough. And them not sell no ticket. Vice Cartel nosebleed ticket them was 300 and change. Them a play with the pricing. See that right now, them nosebleed are 116. Right? Earlier I check and them have some $79 ticket. Them keep changing the price.
Yo, you see when you tell lie, you don't know if you tell it good. You understand? You don't know if you tell it good. You see me? Cause them the ticket they raised from 116 long time. You understand? Them ticket they raised long time to 116. So when you say you just check, them they raised long time. You just want to forward out and tell the Gaza people I'm a bag of lie. You understand? But it show how you stay. Cause you not come with facts, dog. When you just forward, you just bring down. But as me say, you not even know so now promote the show. You see it? Because if you click on Alkaline map, me know you can find. If you click at the front of the stage, seeing people, you can find 800 odd ticket, you can find 500 odd, you can find 600 odd. You see me? Right at the front there, so you can find them ticket there. And a limited amount leave. So when me hear them money attack, that's some madman. Them just bad mind Alkaline because what? Oh, maybe through Alkaline I go sell out Barclays and him never go prison. Maybe at that. I don't know. You see it? But the youth great. I'm alone I do it in a young generation right now. You see me?
Around because I try sell ticket. Tomorrow I go check it. Price change. Day before price change. The price keep going up and down because I try to make a balance. The woman I try to make her money back. Alkaline now sell no ticket. Barclays Center is this close. And ticket now sell. Who I want to have video Barclays Center couple days leave. Couple days leave go buy on the blood clot ticket. So
yo, people. Me tell you already, you know. You don't think say a joke. Me say, you see the day after Alkaline new rules in a Barclays, people, enough of them, the way them a go stress out and crash out. Me I tell you, they may be a laying up at the hospital. Me I tell you that, people. You saw them a go on already? Them a mad out. Mad out. You know see it? People have video outside at the Barclays. And them a mad out. Alkaline fans outside I say, yo, them can't wait. Awa, you know no feelings? Because me know the reason why I no hurt. I no know the ticket I sell out. So no one forward out now come to damage control. I know say it work. You understand? I know say it work. Because me done show the people in a while ago what going with Vice Cartel ticket in the third show in a Barclays last year. The day before. You understand? Me know say it did worse than that. It worse than we are show the people them. You see it? And the ticket drop from $1,000 to $250. But what? You see, because them protect cartel legacy or protect whatever them do, we not gonna know these things. We not gonna know. Because why? We just run with the hype. That's all we run with. You understand? But we make sure we have them clippings here for when, because we know say we not go forward out and do this whenever Alkaline go do something. You understand? We make sure we clip it and have all of the picture them from last year for that day. Yeah. You understand? So people, listen to what I say.
everybody will buy your ticket for $79, right? And you're there way up in the nosebleed? Don't worry. Keep your fingers crossed. You may just get moved up to the front for free. You don't have to pay no money to get moved up to the front because they're going to want to fill the front seat them up when them see say it look bad upon the artist. The truth I truth. Vendettas. We want to
Yo. Yo, I can't believe people. That's how I tell you, Alkaline is one of the greatest artists in the dancehall, you know. I can't believe, say, the man them crash out. If you look at you, what them say, nah, pull no weight, him flap out and all of them thing there. Them have to forward upon the media and tell a bag of lie, and them not have no proof because him just a put up a picture. And for sure, say, what kill him in a show? Seeing people, let me tell you what kill him in a show. You see, when him go say the grey part, at the part where empty means say nobody not buying a ticket there, so at this time kill himself in a show. You understand? Because them forward out I try pull off a craft, but them not know where them a say them not understand how the arena and the map thing work. But at the end of the day, the ticket a sell. It a go sold out. So right now, what you feel like say, seeing whatever I do, now go make the youth show sold out. You not even know say it's like a promotion you do right now. Because if somebody never know about the show, them are gonna know now. You understand? Because if you look online and comment when do that video over TikTok people, and the majority about 6 somebody. But as me say, people, go get on a ticket. Remember, it's going to be a historical moment for the Vendetta people them and for Alkaline and him team. You understand? So go get on a ticket. Cause no one day they are watch and say, Jano, them wish we did this so. You see me? Because trust me people, the Vendetta people them go out And remember these people, a 50 artist boss since Alkaline found 9 game. And out of the 50 artists, him alone a sell out arenas. Remember that. So you see whatever them say? We don't fly past that a long time. A big league we are dealing with and a corner league. You see me? But people, we don't know one media fox money up. You understand? Yeah man, bless up for the support. That is it.